Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Gyanamrit. I am Soumya Agrawal, and today's topic is models of communication. Till now, we have covered communication, communication process, and the various barriers to communication. So, the important topic today is models of communication. Number one is linear transmission model. Describes communication as a one-way process. In this, the active participant is a sender who actually sends the message, and there is no sort of feedback. That's why it is one-way process of communication. The message is sent in this communication in the presence of noise. Generally ये communication mass communication के लिए यूज़ होता है, just like कि we are providing a message on television और radio जिस पे audience का कोई भी revert back नहीं आता या कोई भी sort of feedback नहीं आती है. ठीक है. तो जनरली इस कम्युनिकेशन में ये पता नहीं चलता है कि जिस तरह से मैसेज की इनकोडिंग हुई थी, क्या ये मैसेज अपने इंटेंडेड डेस्टिनेशन में उसी फॉर्म में पहुंचा या नहीं पहुंचा, बिकॉज देर इज़ नो सॉर्ट ऑफ फीडबैक इन द लीनियर मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. It is used generally for the interpersonal communication. Intrapersonal matlab there is a face-to-face communication between the person, the speaker and the audience. Here the sender and the receiver both are active participants. The message is conveyed from the sender and then there is a sort of feedback from the receiver also, and again the message is sent. So this communication is considered as a circular form of communication. एक बार sender message करता है receiver को, receiver उसका revert back करता है, तो then he takes the role of the sender again and receiver जो होगा वो फिर अपना रोल प्ले करेगा. इस तरह वो communication in a circular way होता रहता है. So it is a two-way process of communication. Both sender and receiver are active. There is a face-to-face communication. Feedback भी वहाँ पे होती है. Generally non-verbal और verbal दोनों communication take place करते हैं, चाहे हम उनको बोल के बताएं या फिर हमारे जब हम face-to-face बात करते हैं तो हमारे facial expressions, body language and everything that is also considered. So this was actually for generating social, cultural and relational context. The message actually communicates and generates social, cultural and religious context. और इसमें जो फीडबैक होती है वो इंस्टेंट होती है बिकॉज द फेस कम्युनिकेशन इज इंट्रापर्सनल इन नेचर, राइट. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज interactional model of communication. Interactional model of communication means in this also it is also a two-way process. इसमें भी sender और receiver दोनों active होते हैं. Sender message भेजता है और receiver उसका revert back देता है in a form of feedback. So it is also called as convergence model of communication. Both sender and receiver are active and the communication that takes place in this is in a form of new technology by the use of web. We can say that for example, instant messaging can be considered under this interactional model, but the feedback is little slower. Sometimes the viewer of the message हो सकता है वो उस समय अवेलेबल ना हो तो वो थोड़ी देर बाद भी रिवर्ट बैक कर सकता है. फीडबैक इंस्टेंट नहीं होती है इसमें. इन शॉर्ट, so the communication that take place via new form of technology is considered under interactional model of communication. So these were the three models of communication. In the next video, we will be discussing about the various types of linear model of communication. Hope you enjoy learning. Thank you.